How to grow Sarracenia successfully. Key tips for thriving pitcher plants. Sarracenia, commonly known as pitcher plants, are fascinating, carnivorous plants that captivate gardeners with their unique appearance and ability to catch prey. To successfully grow these plants, it's essential to provide them with the right conditions and care. Here are some key tips to ensure your Sarracenia thrives. 1. Location. Select a sunny spot for your Sarracenia, as they require full sunlight to grow vigorously. Avoid dense shade or areas with excessive heat, as both can be detrimental to their growth. 2. Soil. Sarracenia prefer acidic soils, typically found in bogs or marshy areas. Mimic their natural habitat by using a well-draining soil mix that is low in nutrients, such as a combination of peat moss and sand. 3. Watering. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, as Sarracenia grow best in constantly moist conditions. Rainwater or distilled water is ideal, as tap water can contain chemicals that harm these plants. 4. Feeding. While Sarracenia are carnivorous and can catch their own prey, it's beneficial to occasionally supplement their diet with insects. Avoid feeding them commercially bred insects, as these may contain pesticides. 5. Winter dormancy. Sarracenia require a period of dormancy during winter. Reduce watering in late fall, and when the temperature drops to around 40°C, move them to a cool location around 35 to 45°F or 2 to 7°C. During this period, growth will cease, and the plants will conserve energy. 6. Pests and diseases. Sarracenia are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, be cautious of aphids, slugs, and fungal infections. Regularly inspect your plants and address any issues promptly. By following these tips, you can cultivate healthy and vigorous Sarracenia. Their fascinating pitcher-shaped leaves and incredible insect trapping abilities will surely make them a captivating addition to your garden or indoor collection. Happy growing!